I didn't really know what to expect when I got to Tiraspol, a city that is often described as the most Soviet city in Europe. After spending a day here, I can see why. The first thing I noticed was how much space the Soviet era symbols still have here, especially around the government buildings. Here we can see the Lenin monument, and it's placed right in front of the Pridnestrovian government. It's like you're getting 50 years back in time. So surreal. And just on the opposite side of the main boulevard, almost facing the Lenin monument, the whole mood changes. Suddenly, you're walking between memorials, a chapel, and open public space. From the memorial park, we decided to go see the river, which was very near. The Dniester River is one of the nicest parts of the walk for me. It gives you a chance to just slow down a bit and just enjoy the view. We're now heading back to the main street, 25th of October, named after the day the Bolsheviks, led by Lenin, started the October Revolution that ultimately led to the creation of the USSR 5 years later in 1922. This sign says Tiraspol, only the best. Whether that's true or not, I can't say, but one thing is certain. This is probably the cleanest place I've ever been to. Back in the center, Suvorov Square really stands out, with the big monument, the red stars, and even a bus stop shaped like a fancy old carriage. Tiraspol doesn't feel like a regular capital. Soviet symbols, memorials, river views, and open public spaces all sit close together. It's calm, interesting, and full of small details that make you want to keep looking around. If you like unusual places, this is definitely a city worth seeing. All in all, it's a destination that offers a truly unique experience.